So friends, in this chapter we are going to see the questions related to average. So let's see the chapter. Let's begin with the questions. So here is a question that is in front of us, that a train cover 50% of journey at 30 km per hour, 25% of journey at 25 km per hour, and the remaining at 20 km per hour. Find the average speed. So for convenience, we take the entire journey of 100 km, right? Out of those 100 km, first 50 means what? 50 km is covering at 30 km per hour. 25% of the journey means 25 km. 25% of 100, right? So that is 25 km at 25 km per hour. And remaining is what? 25 km is remaining, that is covering by 20 km per hour. So after doing this, what you are getting? You get the average time, right? Your formula is speed equal to distance upon time, and average speed formula is speed average equal to total distance upon average time. Okay, so you are finding average time with this, or the total time with this. So the total time will be what? Addition of all this, or total distance is 100 km. So from this you can find out time. So after you divide 50 by 30, you get 1.67. This comes out to be 1, and this comes out to be 25 divided by 20, so 1.25. After adding entire thing, you get the total time, that is 3.92. So you have to convert this 3.92 in hours, right? In actual hours. So you have to cover 100 kilometer. You have to cover 100 kilometers, right? And the time required you have to find out. So you get the time as 3 hours 0.92. It is 3 hour and 90.92. So 92 you have to convert it in minutes. In order to convert minutes, so upon 100, so you have to make it as 60. So you will multiply it by 0.6 and above also 0.6. So 92 into 0.6, if you do, it comes out to be 56 minutes. Okay, so 3 hours and 56 minutes, this is covering this 100 kilometers. Okay, so this now you can simply divide it. 100 is the total distance, right? You have time, that is 3.92. So 100 divided by 3.92, the answer comes out to be 25.51. So 21.51 kilometer per hour is your average speed for entire journey. This is how you need to calculate it. Okay, so here is a question. The average of three number is 28. The first average means what? X means total number divided by how many numbers are there? Three numbers. This is equal to 28. So if you multiply this, you will get to know the sum of all the number is 28 into 3, that is 84. The first number is half of the second number, means first number is half, means x by 2. Second number is x, that means third number is twice the second number, so 2x will be the third number because twice the second number. So this value, addition of all this, comes out to be 84. So after adding this comes out to be 7x by 2 equal to 84. So 2 goes in that side, 168 by 7. So this value gives you x. So they ask you to find out the third number. So third number is what? 2x. So x value is 24. So 2x value will be 48. 48. 48 is the right answer. Here is a question that average money of 20 student is 30 rupees. Means 30 rupees is average of 20 students, right? If one more students join them, the average become 29. Means average is reduced by how much? 1 rupees, right? 29. Then find the amount which is brought by the new student. Okay, so what that means, that after one person came, average was reduced by 1 rupees of 20 people. So he need to brought 20, and he himself came, right? So there are 21 people, and 21 people reduced by what? Minus 1 rupees, minus 1 rupees. So minus 21, and the average need to be 30 rupees, right? He need to bring 30, but because he did not carry those 30 rupees, he have to manage this 21 rupees from other people, right? So this 21, so after you minus 30 from 21, what you get? You get 9. So 9 rupees he brought actually. 9 rupees he brought. This minus 21 is what? This rupees he have to return back, right? That's why I minus those rupees, and 30 he need to bring. So after doing this, 9 rupees he brought in the uh, uh, brought by the new students. Okay, so this how you need to do this. Okay, so here is a question. The average age of husband, wife, and their child 3 years ago was 27. So what is average? Average, as I told you, average means sum of observation upon number of observation, right? So here the average of husband, wife, and child is how much? 27. So average is 27, and you can write husband plus wife plus child, you because you don't know the age of them, right? Upon 3, because there are 3 members. So from this you can find out the age of them, right? After you multiply this 27 into 3, you will come to know the sum or addition of all their ages, right? So after adding this comes out to be 27 into 3, that is equivalent to 54. 54 plus 27, that is 81. 81 will be the summation of our wife plus husband plus child. Okay, this much you know at this point of time. Okay, and this is how much years ago? 3 years ago. So this is present. Okay, this is past. So in past it was 3 years ago. Okay, 3 years ago. So 3 years ago, the addition of all of them is 81. Now 3 years from here to present, every 1 year will be increased by 3. So this increase is 3, this is 3 and 3. So their total age at present will be what? 90. This you know. Their all three addition of husband, wife and child will be 90 at present, and in past it was 81 because 3 years back, right? So 3 years back we find out that it was 81, and present means 3 years ahead. So every 1 year will be increased by 3. So husband increased by 3, wife increased by 3, and child increased by 3. So the total increase will be 9 years. So 81 plus 9, that is 90. Okay, and that of wife and the child 5 years ago was 20 years. Okay, present from present 5 years ago, the average age of wife plus child was how much? 20 years. Okay, so from here you can find out the value of wife and child age. So what you can find out? Wife plus child, that is 2 people are there. So sum of observation upon 2 equal to average. So average they provided you that their age was 20. So 20 into 2, that is wife and child age will be 40 years. Okay, so it was how many years back? It was 5 years back. So now coming to the present, so present is 5 years ahead. So here the wife age will be increased by 5, child age will be increased by 5, so the total increase will be 10. So 40 plus 10 will be how much? 50. 50. So you know that at present the addition of wife and child age is 50. So the total age of all three was 90 at present, and the addition of wife and child is coming 50. So now you can find out. Yes, wife plus child plus husband age is coming out 90 at present, right? And if you come 5 years ahead, means 5 years back it was 40. addition of both of them, right? We multiply like this, but 5 year we added because we are coming to the present. And if 5 year is added, then the 5 year will be added to wife also and child also, because both of them are coming to present, na? So if we add that, that is equivalent to plus 10. So 40 plus 10, that is 50. So we know that the summation of wife plus child is 50. So this we know is 50, value of it. So we can find out the value of husband age. Yes, we can find out. This 50 will go in that side. So 90 minus 50, that is 40. So the husband age will be how much? 40 years. Okay, understood? So this is the concept behind it. You have to solve it like this only. Don't go with the formula method, because it's very difficult to solve it by that, and you have to apply different cases every time you go in back and coming forth. So better try to understand in the way I told you in this part. Okay, thank you.